Hello Automation Anywhere lovers, welcome back to KT Sessions, and today we are going to discuss about string type predefined variables in Automation Anywhere A360. So our Automation Anywhere Pro offers a variety of predefined variables including string types which can be used to manipulate text within our automation processes. These variables are particularly useful for tasks involving text manipulation, data extraction and dynamic content generation. So there are a lot of string variables available, but here are some common example of string type predefined variables are new line, form feed, etc. So let me go to the control room and let's see how can we use these variables. So when we go to the variables palette, we can see this one, predefined variables, and under this we can see a lot of categories. In all these categories, we can find the string type of variables. And also we have a special category for string, this one. So in this string, we have these 5 special characters, special variables. And in system also, we can see some system type of variables. And the data type of these variables are string, you can see. We already have posted a video on system variables. And in today's session, we are going to discuss the use of these variables. So as you can see their names, so their names are suggesting their uses, means tab. So if you want to give a tab, like a couple of blank spaces, you can use this tab. And if you want to use a separator, you can use this. For new line, we use this. So let's see how we will use this or how we can use this. So first of all, I will go to action palette and I will take a assign action of string package. So in this, when we click on insert a value, and here also we can see the same variables. So we can use the variables whichever we want. So first of all, I will use this new line. As its name suggests, we use this for moving the text or to moving the text into next line or to creating a new line. So for example, if I have written this one automation, then new line, then anywhere. So it will move the anywhere to the new line. And let me save this in a variable and let me print this. Okay, let me run the. And here we go, we can see automation and anywhere. And this anywhere is in the next line. So let me close this. So in simple word, if we define these variables, so we can say we use these variables to change the position of the cursor. For example, we use this, we use the new line variable. So it has moved the position of the cursor to the next line or to the new line. Similarly, we have tab. So if we use tab, it will move, it will give some horizontal spaces and it will move the position to the right side. And similarly, we have enter. So in enter, it is similar to the new line. When we press enter, so it will move the position to the next line. And we have that this one, form feed. So form feed is for when we want to move the cursor to the next page, then we use this form feed. So for and we have one more, separator. So let's see the use of separator. Let me run the bot. So it has added separator. So we can find more details of these variables on our blog. You can see the use of these. Form feed is a less common, but it is like telling the printer to go to the next page. So we are not using the printer or any command. So this form field is very, and enter and new line are quite similar. Tab, this move the text to a certain distance to the right. It's like pressing that tab key on your keyboard. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do let me know if you have any doubt or any question in any of the topic. Thank you. Bye.